I definitely got the benefits that I was hoping for, because I was able to set it up as I wished to do. I was able to do a business degree, which I wouldn't have been able to organise around timing and situations, and actually physically being able to get to university and things like that. Later, as my capabilities became less, it was one of my PAs who happened to find out about the organisation with my son, about the assistance dog, and I've been able to actually have that as part of it, and I wouldn't have done that without having the capability to actually go and find out things. And they enabled me to go to the centres to have assessments done, and then I was lucky enough to get the dog after that. But these sort of things can be a long process, but you need the support, especially when you're out of your own everyday environment, to be able to do these things.